Easy installation. Just plug it in the wall. Turn the button on the side. Hit the on button. Heat is coming out. However, regulating the heat is an issue. We've called the company, we've emailed. There was minimal instructions in the box, and according to the instructions, this is not working properly. It goes.
Hi everyone, just for the sake of proof, this is the one that I bought from Amazon. It's still nice and small, and you know, I keep it on this handy little table near my door, and I just wanted to show you guys what happened. And I found this out because I went to plug it in this morning, and I guess I didn't notice it when I took it out, but look, completely melted, burned up, and then this is the plug-in. You can see it, the light's not too good, but it's like melted and morphed, like it almost was fused to the socket, and there's like a hole right there. But yeah, this is obviously dangerous. So, and I know I'm not supposed to use it while I'm sleeping.
As you can see, there's an odd number. It says EL, and I'm trying to change the temperature and nothing happens. If I do this, it's 5L. What does L mean? There's nothing in the instructions that talks about L. There's a 2L. I saw an H there. It jumps